Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Silvana BNL. This is Silvana here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today we are baking. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every week when I post a new video. Starting with my flour in my mixing machine. And you can do it by hand, but I just was lazy that day, so I was like, let me just put it in the machine and the machine will mix the dough for me. Anyway, I'm starting with 3 cups of flour. This is already pre-sifted, so I don't really sift it again. You can add more flour later if you need it, but I just started with 3. To that, I am adding 1 tablespoon of yeast. I have already tried this yeast before, so I don't need to put it in the water. I just mix all the dry ingredients together. After that, I'm going in with 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. And then to give it that crunchy crust but the soft insides, I'm adding also 1 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. Both of them are very important to me when I add them because, like I said, it makes the bagels or bread or any baking that I do, it makes it soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside, which is what we really do like a lot. Just 1 teaspoon of both. Now, people bake with water. I like to bake with milk usually, but this is vegan everything bagels, so I'm adding almond milk. I am adding about 1.5 cups. Then I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute just to get it to the 90 degrees warmth. While that is in the microwave, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. I am using the one for mixing dough, mixer for dough, and then I'm checking with the thermometer that it's at 90 degrees. Now, some people like to add the water gradually, or the milk, the liquid in general. Not me. I know how much what the measurements I need, so I just add everything together. And I am pressing it, I'm putting it on stir first, so it's very low mixing so that the flour doesn't go everywhere. It's just slow, gentle until the liquid mixes well with the flour. And then I'm gonna let it mix for about 10 minutes and then we'll be back. So this has been mixing for about 10 minutes now. I did have to add another 1/2 cup of flour. Then I'm taking my bowl and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The oil is to help it not stick. I like it very much, olive oil. It gives the dough also a taste like very nice. And then I'm taking the oil on my hands as well, so it will help the dough not stick to my hands. And ooh, look how beautiful that looks. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys. It feels so good. I gotta tell you, I love baking. I love it. Makes my house smell so good when I bake. And oh my god. It just, whatever I make, I don't know, I might be biased, but it comes out really good. Better than outside. Anyway, we're gonna cover that and let it sit in a warm place for about 2 hours. 2 to 3 hours. It doesn't have to be exactly 2. If you leave it to 3 hours, it'll be fine. The dough is ready, so I'm gonna get the water started. I like to boil the bagels for about 2 minutes, 1 minute on each side, because that makes it so soft and gooey inside. To the water, I'm also adding a 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as you guys can see, and letting that boil. Taking my flour, I'm taking about, I would say, a tablespoon, putting that on my hands and on the cutting board. Then, of course, to take your aggression out of the world, just hit your dough as hard as you can. And then wrap it in a bowl, put it on the cutting board, not thing, what am I saying? Cut it into 8 equal pieces. This is what I like to do because there's only me and my husband. Our daughter is not big enough to eat it yet, so I like to make 4 and 4. Then I make them into small balls, take the rest of the flour on my hand, on my fingers especially, and I'm just making a hole in the middle of every bowl. Then I am putting the oven to 350. By now the water is boiling, as you guys can see, so I am placing my bagels in, like I said, for 1 minute on each side. After I take them out, I am putting some olive oil on top and putting my everything bagel seasoning. What I like to do, I don't put it on one side. I usually flip them, put more oil, and put everything bagel seasoning on both sides because that's how we all like it. We love our everything seasoning. Putting that in the oven. I will start with about 20 minutes and then add more to it, more time if I need it. I ended up adding about 10 more minutes, so it was actually 30 minutes. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh my god, this looks so good. Oh my god, the smell. Oh, this is so good. You would never buy bagels outside again. I don't ever buy bagels from outside. This is what we do here all the time. I never really buy them. Even my parents, they love this so much. And even my in-laws don't buy them either. I usually give them. Whenever I make, I usually give them some. Oh my god. Honestly, this is so good, you guys. Just try it. It is so good. It is vegan. You can eat it in Lent, which is where we're at right now. So good. So when we're not Lenting, I usually add eggs to the bagels. Not just on top, but also on the inside while I'm mixing it. Oh, look how beautiful it looks on the inside. Oh my god, so good. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my god, it smells amazing. Woo! Looks so good. Alright, we have our taste tester here, our first taste tester. What are we gonna do here? Ooh. What do you think?
It's good. Oh man, it's good.
Awesome! We got our seal of approval! Woohoo! I'm on cloud 9 right now. This is so good.
It is good.
Oh my god, this is good. if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, share with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every week when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.